Hey, lovelies, I hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day. We're going to be talking today a little bit more about volume and capacity, okay? So we're going to be focused on milliliters and liters. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. And you can sort of think of a milliliter as like a little drop from an eyedropper, and you can also think of like a liter as like a Gatorade bottle. So this is what 4 liters would look like. 2 liters, 1 liter like a milk carton, and then 250 milliliters as well. So Jill put water in the beaker. How much water is in the beaker? This is a way we can measure. I'm sure some of you guys have done this in science class as well. So you take a look and see where it ends, and right here you can see that it is filled up to the 300, and so we say 300 what? 300 milliliters. So find the amount of water in the beaker. We would say the answer would be there is 300 milliliters of water in the beaker. In this example, it says, which is the better estimate for the capacity of a can of juice? 300 liters or 300 milliliters? So let's think about it for a little bit, okay? Look at the units. Think about milliliters as drops, and think about liters as a 1 liter is a Gatorade bottle. So what is more reasonable? What is the best estimate, okay, for the capacity of the can of juice? So a can of juice holds less than 1 liter, so I know that it can't be 300 liters, which is why 300 milliliters would be a better estimate for the can of juice. Continued on, Dina put liquid into these beakers. How much liquid did Dina put in the beakers in all? So we're going to see where it ends. So here, this one ends at 400. Keyword says is in all as well. So we know we're going to either multiply or add. And we have some different numbers. We have 400, 100, and 200. So I'm going to go ahead and add that up. 400 plus 100 plus 200. And that would actually be 700. Good job. 700 milliliters is the amount of liquid that she put into those beakers. Let's practice this example. Erica bought 8 bottles of lemonade for a party, and each bottle contains 2 liters of lemonade. How many liters of lemonade did Erica buy in all? We're going to look for those keywords to figure out which operation to use. So I know in all, we can add or multiply. And when the numbers are the same, like 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, we could either add all of that up, or we can just simply multiply. 8 bottles, each of them, keyword each, has 2 liters. So I know 8 times 2 would be 16 liters. All right, friends, let's continue practicing this a little bit more in tonight's homework, and we will continue practicing the rest of the week as well.